In this class, we are going to learn how to import any application to the instance with the help of file. In our previous class, we had seen how we can export any application from our process automation instance to a file which was creating the file with .expx extension. Once we have this extension file, how we can import that file to the process automation instance. First, let me export the file that is for the my clone app. Now, what I will do is I will click on delete. I will delete this app. The delete part we have not seen as of now. So what it is saying is at the time of deletion, we have one active version for this application. So since there is one active application, we are unable to delete. So what we will do is, first of all, we are going to deactivate the application. Let me go over to the application over here, click on the activate button. So what it is saying is we are currently having one active version. So last activated by this person. So if you want to see view activated other versions, you can click on this and we can see list of all the active versions for our process application. We can just select this menu over here for the active version and click on deactivate. It is asking, do you want to deactivate? Let me just click on confirm. So this is one of the ways how we can deactivate the version. Suppose if you are having n number of versions active, it will list all the active versions. Suppose if any of the application is in active version, you won't be able to delete. So another option is when you land into this process application, you can click on this active. Here it is showing as active button. Suppose if you are having already the active versions for your application, you will see over here the button called deactivate and purge that you can click. We have deactivated by another way, so which will be useful in order to track all the active versions in the instance. So this is the demo instance or the development instance. So you will find only one active version. Suppose if you are migrating your code to production, then you will see n number of active versions for your application. So let me just come back to my process application homepage. Click on this menu, click on delete. It will tell delete my clone app. So we have deleted the my clone app. Now next step is we are going to import the process application with the help of file which we had exported, that is using the .expx file. Now in order to import the file, just click on this create. Here it will ask import application. Earlier we had selected create process application, that is to create this my first OPA app. This time we have to tell import application. Click on this. Here either you can drag and drop. Suppose if you are using multiple screens, you can drag and drop the files over here, or else you can just click on this and select the expx file that is over here. In my case, click on open. Now when you click on import, it will ask what will be the title or the version of your application. By default, it will take the name of this file as your application title and the identifier name. Click on import. Suppose if you want to again import a new version of the file, what you can do is again you can click on import, select the expx file. I am selecting same, and it will ask to change the version. It will tell 1.0 is already there. I will tell 1.1 version I want to import to. Click on import. So this is how you can import the iterations of application, like the newer versions of application from one instance to another instance. Suppose you have migrated your code to production yesterday and today client told to fix some issues. You have modified the changes in the development environment and you will export the expx file, and then you will import in production the same application as 1.1 version, and that you are going to activate. So this is how you are going to export the application and import the application using .expx files.